Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Remember this? Well, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. And as always, thank you all so very much for supporting my channel and helping my channel to grow. I really do appreciate the positive way and the positive impact that you guys are having on my YouTube experience. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In a very recent video, I made this table. Then I decided I would turn it into this bench. I love both of them. I am planning on taking this table and turning it into a second bench so that I can use these to flank my fireplace and to use them as seasonal decor in my home. The table, as well as the bench, was a very big hit with you guys. In fact, there were some awesome comments left in the comment section on various ways that you planned on using the chopping board, the metal hanger portion, as well as the trellis, either separately or together as I have done here. Y'all had some fabulous ideas, and you also gave me some wonderful ideas to think about other ways that I could use this as well. But if you haven't had a chance to go back and read some of those comments, go back and read some of the comments. I'll have that video linked below in the description box. I'll also have it pinned in the comment section of this video so that when you have a moment, you can go back and see some of the wonderful suggestions and ideas that you guys gave in the comment section. That's one of the things I love about my channel because it is so interactive. You guys play a very big role in sparking new ideas for me by some of the comments that you actually leave. And I'm going to move this one out of the way and bring this closer because a lot of you had questions about how strong this actually is. Well, the chopping board is made of bamboo and it is very, very sturdy. And then on the bottom for the feet, I am using metal supports that would be used to brace a hanging plant to a wall or to the house. So it is by itself very sturdy. Just because I bought these at the Dollar Tree does not mean that they're not sturdy. These are just as sturdy as other hanging brackets that I purchased from some of the big box stores, and they can support weight on this table very well because the four of them combined give me a very sturdy base. And I'm going to turn it like this. And I'm going to take this stack of papers and put it on top. And you're able to see that I don't have any bowing of the table. The legs are very sturdy. There was no flinching at all. This can support that weight. This is about 5 pounds that I have on here right now. I could add another 5 pounds of books on here comfortably and not even worry. So for those of you who are wondering whether or not this is sturdy enough to support weight, you can see that it most definitely is, because if you've worked with paper, you know that a stack of paper this large carries some weight. Now, one thing I personally wouldn't do is I would not be using this as something that I would sit on or have people sitting on. I don't know how it will hold up under those conditions. But as a decorative accent piece or a small table that you might want to place next to some Adirondack chairs, one of you suggested that, or placing a pillow on top and using it as a footstool / ottoman, one of you suggested that as well. This is fine for that. But please use good judgment if you were planning on using this for additional seating of any type. So I wanted to hop on real quick while it was still fresh in everyone's mind to go back and check out some of those comments because I think you'll find them enlightening and useful. And then I wanted to demo that this is very sturdy and will support weight. The exact amount of weight I haven't tested, but you can see that it will support weight. So I hope you guys will come back this afternoon for my super simple Sunday craft. I think you're going to enjoy it. But until then, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone's smiling today. Happy crafting, and I'll see you later.